find this video, you probably have done some research and know what MCT oil is and comes from. If you haven't, check out the article link in the description below. In the article, it tells you what you shall know about MCT oil. In this video, I'm going to talk about two things. Is MCT oil really beneficial and working? If not, why it becomes so trendy? My Taboo Talk topics are unique and will make you think differently. Please feel free to subscribe and share. First, does MCT oil have some nutritional benefits? It should, because they are made from natural coconut oil and palm kernel oil. All plants that exist in nature, not man-made, have their benefits either to humans or other life. Can this processed oil keep the natural nutritional benefits? Not sure. But manufacturers tell you that they use the most advanced technology to extract only the essential part from the coconut oil and palm kernel oil. They say their MCT oil is the pure source of medium-chain triglycerides. Sound familiar? Think about this. So many kinds of vitamins and minerals, omega-3 fatty acids, digestive fibers, high-protein powder, collagen drinks, and so on. All of them are man-made, purified, and concentrated nutritional supplements. They claim to be more efficient in providing the nutrition you need than natural food. Really? Who can prove that pure is more efficient? How are they so sure that their pure concentrated version is better than nature's version? Do they really believe human technology outsmarts nature? Remember, whatever you take into your body, your system will respond. A little extra something will force your system to adjust and rebalance. Nature creates you and all life. It has a perfect way of balancing your organic system. That's why nature provides all plants and animals that can supplement you without causing any turbulence to your original balance. But if you take those man-made supplements, do you realize how much extra work you put on your system? It will exhaust your system, not benefit it. If you haven't seen any side effects, doesn't mean they don't exist. You don't need to read tons of scientific studies to prove it. Just use some common sense and feel your own body. Do you find any animals that live in nature suffer from health problems? What do they eat to keep them healthy? Do you become healthier after taking those nutritional supplements? If you find you're dependent on them, that's a good sign for the nutritional business, not for you. Think about it. If those supplements can do you good, they shall help you become healthier, so eventually you won't need them anymore. But if they break your original balance, you will have to rely on them to keep a balance. Otherwise, you can't balance it yourself. Do you believe it's good for you? Second, MCT oil benefits are overpromising like all other nutritional supplements. Why do some nutritionists and doctors advocate it? If you want to know why, you need to follow the money. Do a quick search and you will find that a liter of extra virgin olive oil costs about $7. A liter of MCT oil is priced between $15 to $50 on today's market. Do you really believe the cost of making MCT oil is doubled and tripled the extra virgin olive oil? When there is a need, there will be a supply. When the need becomes a large demand, there will be a bigger profit. With the help of nutritionists and doctors who educate consumers about the benefits of supplement products, the market demand is growing bigger and quicker. But if MCT oil isn't working, why do people still buy into that idea? That's a good question. Why do you think most people would rather take some pills even though they don't work as promised, or even worse, has some side effects? Because it is too painful to take control of your own health. What it means is that what you eat, what you do, what decision you make, and what results you get, you have to be fully responsible. You shouldn't point your finger at the government, the public health system, anyone or anything else. To be honest, most people don't want to. That's why whenever you hear someone talking about some new pill, new supplement, or new therapy that can treat your health problem, you are eager to know and try. Your mind keeps looking for quick solutions. How wonderful! If it could change your health with just a pill, you definitely don't want to miss it, right? You wish for some magical pill that can treat your health issues for good. But from the bottom of your heart, you know there's no such magical pill that exists. Yet, you don't want to miss any chance. After you try it and prove it doesn't work, you can blame the misleading commercial and the greedy business that overpromises the benefits. After all, it's not your fault, isn't it? Then you will look for the next magical pill. Like that, you have been involved in countless breakthrough findings, from vitamins to minerals, herbs to organic food, a keto diet to vegan diet. There will never be an end as long as you don't want to be fully responsible for your health. You are the making of your life. How healthy and joyful you are is totally your responsibility. Once you realize that, you will stop looking for external solutions and start to work on yourself from inside. The ultimate solution is never from outside. It is right here in you. Qigong practice is a way to work yourself from the inside and rebalance your system without having to rely on any external resources. But it won't happen overnight. So the next question is, when will you decide to walk the inner path to ultimate health? When you're ready, you can download the Onenergy Qigong app to start your self-care journey. If you like this taboo talk and find it inspiring, please subscribe to our channel and share my video with others. I'll see you next time.